To review the course offerings for the upcoming quarter, you will need to navigate to your My.uChicago portal. From the home page, you will select My Classes on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can search for classes. On the left-hand side, you can see a tab called My Classes. This is where you will see any current enrollments you have on your account. You can also see your previous quarter enrollments when you change the term filter. Now let's look at some examples for searching for classes. You can use the filters on the left-hand side to look for specific courses. The department filter will search by academic department. In this example, I'm using the filter to look for ASL courses, which allows me to see all the offerings for this department, which only has 3 options in the autumn. To learn more about a course of interest, click on the class. This will expand the box so that you can read the course description and see other important information like the name of the instructor, the days and times the course will be offered, the dates for the quarter, and the location for the course. I can also find the link to the course feedback, and I can see what books might be required. Now let's look at using another filter. This field is largely used to filter for courses that count for the core requirements. Select College Core Requirement, which will then populate an additional filter below. In the Value filter box, you can search for a specific core requirement. Let's look at the Art Core filter. This now shows all of the available Art Core options offered this quarter. Again, we can see the course information. In this example, there is additional text below the course description which is important to read. For these courses, the department requires students to attend the first 2 classes in order to retain their spot in the class. For this course, we can see that there is also a waitlist that students can join if they are unable to get into the course through pre-registration. For one final example, we can also use the search bar feature at the top of the page to search for a specific course code or to type in keywords of interest. If I am looking for Chem 11100, I can type that in and the course will pop up. I can see there are 2 sections of this course, and when I pop it open, I can see the prerequisites for the course here. I must meet these requirements in order to get into the course. Finally, I can see when the lecture for the course will be offered, but once I scroll down, I can also see that there is an additional course component required, typically a lab or discussion section. As you prepare for pre-registration, you should compile a list or keep track of your courses of interest by writing down the course code and the course name so you can easily select those courses when pre-registration opens.